What's going on, YouTube? It's been a minute since we've made some content. Got a few things came in. Kind of took advantage of Black Friday and got a few things for the old Mustang. So we're going to see what all we got going on right now. First thing is going to be, we got this kit with some hood struts. So this is what we got going on. This little setup one with the carbon fiber shocks. So bolt all this up and get rid of the ugly little arm that holds it up. Now you can kind of see a little bit better what we got going on. So the carbon fiber and all that. So apparently what you got to do first thing you got to bolt down the piece down there, and then take this top bolt out. Take this bolt completely out, loosen this one up, and then slide the slot down into there, and then you can reinstall this bolt back into that hole right there. So that's what we're going to do. I'll just try to get this thing unclipped. There we go. Get that one out of the way. That out of there. Leave it there just in case we can reinstall it somewhere else, but I'm not seeing any other holes that would match up, so I'm gonna just have to leave it over there. Alrighty. Alrighty. We'll start on this side.
Taking this apart.
Use my little cheater tool. The little washer didn't want to get out of the way. Little pins out like I was showing y'all.
Reinstall them.
Check it out. Let's get all that out of the way. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Finito. Completed. I don't know, I'm still a little iffy on this, but alright, well, hope y'all enjoyed this. Oh, now we gotta take this out though. We are almost done. One more step.
Like this.
Install that pin. What's up, little man? Huh? What you think? We got the hood struts installed. Looks good? Does it look good? See the carbon fiber? It's alright. You like the horsepower more?
This.
That's for the coolant.
Oil right here.
Not oil, that's coolant.
Oil right here.
That's windshield washer fluid.
This is oil right here.
That's where some fuses are. That's where your strut mounts. You like that? Cool. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the little tutorial of installing the hood struts on a 2012, 2014 Mustang. Doesn't matter if it's GT, whatever. Those will work for either one. But like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Next up, we got a video coming out. Me in the mouse in pocket, or little man. Got some new headlights. Get the Raxiums smoked out with the black insides and all that. So we're going to be pulling the bumper off and getting these things installed. So stick around for the next video coming up, and hope y'all enjoyed this one. See you next time.